Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hi guys, andindaba kaSne ithini bandla, because imagine uSne it belongs there kwa izingane zesithembu, but she is featured live. Igama lakhe is featured live on Uthando Nesithembu, while uMusa is going to uyoxela abafazi bakhe guys emangcwabeni. Sne's name comes out. Hayi kusho ukuthi uSne is stressing her father out. But anyway, uMusa says to Flo that usne phela usne simbamba la where we know her weakness is, which is with her children, and that's why we refuse to take care of her children, because if we take care of her children for her, she's going to continue doing this thing esimkhuza ngayo. He says ukuthi cela uncedo usne to take care of her kids. Uyadaba usne udaba utshwala, ulala emizini yabantu engalotsholiwe. I was just like, ayibo uMusa isigaxa esingaka. He goes on to say in his diary session with uMakay. So the producer asks a question. The producer asks ukuthi, so what's you guys' comment on the fact that Usne says that uMakhumalo hates her? Musa comes in. I don't know why Musa felt the need to answer on behalf of Makay, but anyway, Musa says ukuthi usne nikhuluma ngosne lo sne ogqoke ingubo zika Makay. I'm just like, Sne, kanti ugqoke ingubo zabantu coming to speak like that about them, or coming to say they don't like you. He says ukuthi usne she wears uMakhumalo's clothes. Usne lo ohambe noMakhumalo for shopping for the first time for ingane yakhe, wafika laphayana washodelwa imali and then wagcwaliselwa uMakhumalo. Then lo Sne is coming to say that uMakhumalo hates her. Usne lo wekade hlala kwaMakhumalo. UMusa says phela menimbona usne did not only stay kwaMacele. Usne, she stayed in all of those houses. Musa goes on to say ukuthi hayi usne azithi mzala kahle kusne. And I'm just like, yo guys, ayibo Musa dragged usne. But listen, yes, there was a lot of people saying ukuthi Musa needs to have isnege, but I'm like, guys, I nam njengomzali ndingakhathala shame. No, I don't want to lie, guys. Listen, this is the same Sne, despite Musa not being pleased with her actions, guys. This is the same Sne. She gets an allowance. Allowance, yeah, ni. She doesn't have to work. She doesn't have to lift a finger. She gets an allowance. This is the same Sne, guys. Did they not offer her, was it a management position, but a position in the family company? Usne came for 1-2 days or few days wa absconda usne wangazi msebenzini. Is this not the same Sne onomuzi? She has umuzi kaMacele to stay, a whole house to stay in nengane zakhe. But what does she do? She goes and stay le kwa-boyfriend ashiyizitsha-ke. In last season we saw ukuthi she leaves dishes, guys, ezinokudla and lets the food rot there. Hi bo guys, noma singamthuka umseleku, but here guys, hayi ngeke. He has tried. He has tried, and I don't know what it's going to take for Usne to grow up. But listen, Musa, one thing about Musa, guys, he believes in his ancestors, that man. He believes in his ancestors, because even though Impepo, that time when he was bigger in Ndabazake, Impepo did not want to light, but when he got up from Loa Kuku or Ukuku that he was kneeling on, the mat he was kneeling on, when he got up there, he got up with confidence, because he's like, hayi uFlo ngiyamazi mina uzozilungisa lezi nkinga. So I'm just like, Sne, besicela bandla ukuthi ungasiphoxa when it comes to izingane zesithembu. Can we see a difference? Because I mean, if ubaba wakho is still crying about the same thing, ingane ukuthi awuzinakekeli, hi guys, yes, we can say ukuthi Musa, he doesn't treat his children ngokuphelele and his grandchildren ngokuphelele, which I see as well. But guys, at the end of the day, those are not his children. He does not have an obligation to take care of Sne's children. Anything he does, guys, it's a bonus. Anything that a person does for your child, and that person is not the parent to the child, uyabonga, guys, you don't complain because that is not the person's responsibility. Do you understand what I'm saying? So even if that person angenzele ezinye ingane azenzele okuthize, yes, it's painful and yes, you're going to complain, but at the end of the day, you must just be grateful because that person doesn't owe you or doesn't owe that to your children anyway. Anyway, guys, you tell me, what's your thoughts on indaba kaSnake, guys? USnake udinga usiko, udingani uSnake? Because hayi bo, ngiyakhalwa ngosnake. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.